Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On this Thursday morning, it's the 23rd day of January, and I'm going to tell you about a storm system on the way that'll bring wet weather, especially later on today and tonight. But even in the middle of the night, as I make your video, there's already rain on the radar, but probably a lot of that rain is not quite reaching the ground because the air close to the ground is dry. But yes, you could see some showers this morning. I think your better rain chances are later on this afternoon and tonight. We'll look at how much rain could fall. The timing has been tweaked a little bit on this fast-moving storm system as well. And I've also tweaked the weekend forecast just a bit. Plus, we'll take a peek into a storm system next week. Glad you're here this morning. Let's get rolling. Here we go. Early this morning, you see that low-pressure area near Shreveport. That will drag a warm front northward into the state of Alabama later on today and tonight. That's our future. In the cold air sector of this storm, lots of snow and ice. But for us, rain and maybe some thunderstorms. You see where the warm front will be at midnight around Birmingham. We're in the warm air sector, so maybe a few rumbles of thunder as well. There'll be a few showers around this morning, but the main threat of showers and thunderstorms coming on later on this afternoon and especially this evening and tonight across the area. In fact, I'll show you a couple of snapshots. Here's 8 o'clock tonight. You see the line of stronger storms into western Alabama at that hour, spreading on eastward. And I think by about midnight, that stronger line perhaps is knocking on the door here in central Alabama. So no severe weather expected with this system today. The Storm Prediction Center says there'll be thunderstorms as far north as Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Anniston, but no severe weather expected, not at this time. So showers likely, 70% chance, especially by later on this afternoon. With today's high around 52, rain chances as high as 90% tonight. Overnight low 48. Tomorrow morning at 6 a.m., you see where the front is? Already moving into eastern Alabama, so maybe some leftover showers early in the day Friday. But later in the day, the front has moved into Georgia, and we start to see an improvement, and just in time for the weekend as well. Rainfall amounts. Well, this particular model is indicating some of us could see 1.5 inches, some of us closer to 1 inch of rain in the next 24 hours. So a good soaking with some of these heavier downpours. Sunshine, mild weather on Saturday. When I say mild, I'm talking about mid-50s generally, which is not too bad this time of the year. There's a low pressure area on Sunday that'll tease South Alabama. I've got the rain chances just under 20% Sunday and Sunday evening. And then a little warmer Monday as that low moves on to the east towards Florida. We'll say around 60 degrees for a high temperature on Monday. So I've got us at 59 with maybe some leftover showers early in the day Friday before things start to dry out. We look at, mid-50s on Saturday with sunshine. I think Sunday's a cloudy day. I've got the rain chances just under 20% daytime. And then up around 61 Monday, chance of showers returning on Tuesday. And here's another storm system next week on Wednesday with showers and thunderstorms across the area as well. Does it turn much colder behind that front? Well, it turns a little cooler, but I don't see any Arctic air in our future for the next couple of weeks, which is pretty good news. I've got a weather extra on TV for you tonight. So when we talk about the current conditions in Montgomery, we're talking about what's happening at Montgomery Regional Airport, Danley Field. But records in Montgomery started 147 years ago, long before there was an airport. We'll take you back to the late 1800s, before airports, when official observations were taken downtown first and later at another Montgomery airport before Danley Field, where records are kept. My weather extra tonight on the Alabama News Network, CBS 8 and ABC 32 at 6 and 10. If you like history, like I do, and I think you're going to like tonight's weather extra. So we're live on the radio this morning, 6 to 9, News Talk 93.1. You know the whole 9 yards here. We're also live on Alabama Rising on the Alabama News Network as well. And another video for you first thing tomorrow morning at 4:45 a.m. Carry the umbrella today. I think you're going to need it. Have a good day today. Your forecast whenever you want it on the Blue Water family of stations. I'll see you later.
Rich Thomas Weather.